The last book of the Bible is called Revelation, but its original title was Apocalypse, which means the unveiling. For many, it remains a mystery, filled with strange symbols and confusing images. Hi, I'm Dr. David Peter, Professor of Practical Theology at Concordia Seminary. I invite you to our Prof Insights workshop, Decoding the Apocalypse, Study of the Book of Revelation, happening July 15 to 17 at St. John's Lutheran Church in Millvale, Pennsylvania. In this workshop, we'll explore the most significant symbols in Revelation and the keys to interpreting them. You'll gain a clearer understanding of the book's sweeping themes and powerful messages. This unveiling will enable you to see Christ, His church, and history, past, present, and future, in a whole new light. Visit csl.edu/workshop-series or scan the QR code to learn more. I hope to see you there.